We have a division problem. We have the quantity 12x to the fourth plus 9x cubed minus 15x squared divided by 3x squared. And I'm going to rewrite this using a fraction bar instead of the division symbol. So I can write it as 12x to the fourth plus 9x cubed minus 15x squared all over 3x squared. And now I can rewrite it as each of these three terms in the numerator divided by the denominator. So I can write this as 12x to the fourth divided by 3x squared plus 9x cubed divided by 3x squared minus 15x squared divided by 3x squared. And now I just carry out these individual divisions. Here I have 12 divided by 3 is 4. And to divide x to the fourth by x squared, I subtract exponents. So I'd have x to the 4 minus 2 power, or x squared. In the next term, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And x cubed divided by x squared is x to the 3 minus 2 power, x to the first power, or we can just write x. And in the last term, 15 divided by 3 is 5. And x squared divided by x squared is 1. So the quotient is 4x squared plus 3x minus 5.